April is already here, bringing in spring and the start of Q2. So that means I'm back with 3 more winning products for you to sell this month. We'll talk about the specifics of each item, recommended pricing, ad interest, and so much more. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. My name's Alex, let's get started. Okay, so I just went through and made a presentation so that we can move through things very quickly and cover everything that we need to. So let's jump right into it. So the first product that I have for you guys to sell this month is the LED shoe display. So what this does is it stores your designer shoes in a nicely lit display box. And the reason I chose this product is because as spring brings warmer and cleaner weather ahead with it, this is perfect for really any sneakerhead or shoe collector or anybody else. So there are also many notable spring drops coming up from popular brands like Yeezy, Nike, Air Jordan, and so much more. Just take a look for yourself and you guys can see all of the upcoming releases. On top of that, you guys want to take into account that it's tax return season this spring, so year after year we see increased spring consumer spending habits and everything to go along with that. So moving into the specifics of this item, on AliExpress this will cost you $14.99 with free shipping for each little box that you sell on there. And I would personally sell this for $29.99 a piece for a profit of $15 per sale. So that is an exact 50% profit margin right there. And if you guys were getting started running ads on Facebook, the 3 interests I would get started with in testing would be shoes, Air Jordan, Nike, or really any similar related interests. So let's take a look really quickly at some stores that are already selling this product, what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and what you guys can do to improve on it. Okay, so the first store selling this product is called Sneak Collective. And as you guys can see right here, it looks like they're an Australian store just because the pricing is in Australian dollars, but they're actually selling a 6-pack on here for $260. So they have the LED sneaker display storage boxes, 6-pack, $260, or they include the Afterpay option on here for 4 interest-free payments of $65 Australian dollars. So they don't really have much on here, to be quite honest. They have one product image and it's not even that good, and then they have a product video right here. What is this? So it's just them turning it on and off. There's really not much to it. There's not much of a description, no benefits, no features, nothing like that. So it literally looks like they just copied this description from AliExpress. They didn't really put much effort into it, and they definitely do not justify that $260 pricing point that they have right here. I don't know who's gonna go on here and pay that with literally no information on this product available. It kind of looks like a scam. Scrolling down, they don't even have any recommended products or anything, no reviews. So this is just really basic and plain. There's a lot more that I would add to this to make it a compelling description to actually sell this, especially for the price point they have it at. Because if somebody sees this and then they just look up more info on this product because you guys don't provide it themselves, they'll find one of your competitors that actually wrote a compelling description, has it cheaper, and make the purchase through them. So to avoid that up front, you guys want to make sure to include all of the details beforehand. Okay, so the next website selling this product is Goto. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this website. But we have the Luminous with voice control shoe display and storage box. They're selling 1-pack on here for $99.99. Originally on sale from $130 or so, they say. So I like their branding on here. I know the other website did a pretty good job putting their logo on it, but they didn't really include much branding aspects. But it looks like they're doing a good job with all of their content. They're keeping it consistent. They're highlighting all of the features and benefits. And it's actually pretty cool too that they're expanding what this can be used for. So as you guys can see, they say it can be used for sneakers, figures, clothing, collections, and really anything else. And they spelled collections wrong on there. You guys want to go through and proofread everything first. But it's cool that they expand beyond the sneakers, so they're reaching different target audiences as well, so they can go and target people who like Supreme hats or Supreme mugs or really any kind of collectibles. It doesn't even have to be anything designer. So I like their content on here, their product images and their branding and everything else. Their description could be a little bit better. It doesn't look like they put too much effort into their description. It really doesn't vary far from the AliExpress descriptions, same as the last one. So both of these descriptions really could use a lot more detail and a lot more effort. They have the basic Shopify recommendations on here, just from the standard theme, and no product reviews or anything else. I'm not really sure what this is down here, that link. I don't know, it seems like a poorly built website. They could definitely do a lot more things better. If you click that link, it just takes you to some random Chinese link. So I'm gonna leave that and we're gonna move on to the next product. Product number 2, you guys are gonna like the margins on this product. So we have the seed sprouting tray with a light. So what this does is it helps seed sprout and grow healthy in a protected humidity dome, as you guys see down here in the corner. So the reason I chose this product is because gardening season is here. People are purchasing their seed, soil, nutrients, or really any growing supplies. This prevents the problem of some seeds not sprouting and dying off, saving you time and money and really any type of stress when you guys are farming. So the cost, get this, is $23.30 with free shipping for a 5-pack. So you guys can actually sell this item in a pack of 5. I would personally sell this for $99.99, so it's basically $20 for each humidity dome for a profit of $76.69 per 5-pack sold. So right there is a profit margin of 76.7%, so you guys can actually scale this item really high. And the 3 interests I would start off targeting for this item would be gardening, House and Garden, the magazine, and Seed Accelerator, because that's exactly what this item is. So let's go ahead and take a look really quickly at a store that's already selling this product and what they're doing. Okay, so this next website we have on here is Joyce Toy, or Joycey Toy. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that one either, but it actually looks like they're a bike store. So it's really weird that they're selling these seed starters, but obviously it must be working for them, so good luck to them, I guess. So they're selling the trays on here, the 5-pack for actually $38.99, so much lower than what we already said. But we'll take a look at the description and see if they wrote a compelling description and see if we can do better and actually justify our $99.99 pricing point. So I like the quantity breaks that they have on here. The buy 2 items save 5%, 3 items save 7%, and buy 4 items save 10%. They have 2 different color options on here, green or black. You can choose the style with or without the light. And then they have the same thing down here, the 5-pack, but you guys can actually save by buying 10 or 15 pieces. A lot of this content is overwhelming to many of these humidity domes. Honestly, they should just put like 1 or 2 in the pictures and focus on the benefits of those. It's definitely overwhelming with this many in the product images. It'd be one thing if they're just like placeholder images for like the 15 pieces or like the 10 pieces, but there's just way too much going on in all of these photos down here. Scrolling down and looking at the actual description. Okay, so it's kind of off to a bad start already. It kind of looks spammy and more like AliExpress written. I do like the GIF right there and all of these product images that they include, but they could really go through and clean up the text between each and do a much better job kind of telling a story, explaining the benefits and features of your product, and kind of convincing the user to buy from you. That's something that we go through much deeper in topic on some of my other videos, but you definitely want to write a much more compelling description, especially when we're going to be selling it for our price point of $99.99. And then scrolling down, they don't have any recommended products, no other upsells, no reviews for this product, so there's definitely a lot that they could improve on. Alright, the third and final product that I have for you guys is this mini electric chainsaw. I've been seeing this product pick up like crazy over the past couple of weeks, and the trends keep improving. So I wrote a little description on here as to why I chose this product. I said, once again, the rising temps and changing weather are increasing outdoor interests like crazy. That paired with increased travel due to factors such as COVID cases dropping off and everything else. What better camping tool than a mini electric chainsaw? So this is perfect for any outdoor campfire loving people. So the cost of this product is $55.93 with free shipping on AliExpress. The selling price that I would sell this for would be $114.99. for a profit of $59.06 per sale. That's a profit margin of 51.3%. So the 3 interests I would start off targeting on Facebook for this product would be chainsaw, lumber, and campfire, 3 very obvious outdoor interests that would love this product. So let's go through really quick and take a look at a store that's already selling this product and see what they're doing right and what they're doing wrong, and once again, how you can improve. Okay, so right away on this store, we get one of these spin the wheel for a discount code once you enter your email pop-ups. These have been around forever, and honestly, they seem more spammy these days than not. So this store is Create and Innovate. I like their little placeholder image right here, shows the multi-uses of this product. So they have the rechargeable mini wood cutting lithium chainsaw. They have the different plug types right there. They have quantity, but they don't have any quantity breaks to incentivize people to actually increase that quantity right there. And they're selling it for $109.99. So based on these stars up here, it looks like they actually have reviews imported for this item. I do like that they show the shipping speeds right here to set the expectations up front, as well as the trust badges. I do not think this product actually got onto ABC, BBC, CNN, or any of these. I do like the photos they use for this. Honestly, they could clean some of these up. These are just your basic AliExpress placeholder images, so I'm really not that big of a fan of these images after all. There's definitely too much going on in these. You guys just want some high quality images of the item in action, basically what comes with it. And then you guys want to tell the story in your compelling description below. So let's see what they did for the description. They started off with the features. I usually like to include a couple paragraphs at the start, kind of telling a story of this product, why you should use it, its background, who it's for, stuff like that. I do like the photos and the description. They could definitely clean some of these up though, with some of the words on there. It really does look like that they just slapped these on from AliExpress. They definitely use this specification tab from the AliExpress listing. So honestly, it's a good structure in this description with the images and the different paragraphs and the bullet points and stuff, but they have to use a little more detailed content than just the AliExpress and what's provided. You guys really have to go through and do some copywriting on here. So they do have the upsells of the frequently bought together products, and it showed 5 stars at the top, but it doesn't look like there's actually any reviews for this item. Yeah, if you click right there, the 5 stars, the #1 bestseller, it doesn't actually take you anywhere. So it shows 5-star reviews, but it doesn't show a single review on their website. That's definitely a little strange. There's a lot that I would improve on this website, as I said, but honestly, all of the websites that we went over today, none of them are really up to standard to sell any of these products in 2022. So you're gonna wanna do a much better job than these guys. I hope I was able to highlight at least one product for you to sell this month. If you guys would like additional winning products sent to your email inbox every 2 weeks, sign up for our free newsletter in the description below. Remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I have 2 additional resources in the description below. Feel free to check both of those out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.